Introducing the sleek and powerful 2020 Audi A6 2.0 TDI Black Edition 204 PS 4-door A. With a stunning black exterior and a fuel-efficient 2-liter diesel engine, this automatic saloon is the epitome of luxury and performance. Packed with comfort and safety features like satellite navigation, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, this vehicle ensures a smooth and secure drive every time. Stylish details such as privacy glass and spoiler add a touch of elegance. Fully serviced and maintained to manufacturer specification, this Audi comes with a comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. Visit audikerry.ie or call us today to learn more about this exceptional vehicle.